She look like him.
Look at all this gorgeous hair. Y'all, this is my VIP client. Look at this. One day she gonna let me twist her real hair. Just gorgeous. She just got a part right there. Just a part. And I also wanted to show you guys, we're going to be using this hair right here. This is some new hair that is on the market. I'll attach all the information. It's some really nice hair. I got some other bomb twist hair from them, and she said she loved it. She said like it was the best hair ever. Is that right, girl?
Yes, my favorite.
Oh, see, I'm telling you guys, I'll be coming to y'all, showing y'all this new hair. Y'all better try it. Okay, stay tuned to the end result. And then the thing I like about this is it's kind of braided. It got like a little braid at the end, and then it has the curls, so you don't have to worry about this unraveling at all. Okay, stay tuned to the
yours, Jillian. Besides, flirting is not cheating. It's just a little pick-me-up for your ego. It keeps you in shape, sexually speaking.
Ah, so it's sexercise.
Yes, women should sexercise daily.
This is terrific. Another thing that I'm not doing.
Come on, there's nothing you're not doing. Look at this spread. You're always volunteering.
Oh, please. I teach art in a retirement home 2 days a week. I'm hardly Mother Teresa.
Look at your house, it's spotless.
A key to a clean house? Dead husband.
right.
That came out of the store.
Oh, that's a great household tip.
What is with these flowers? Come on, they get bigger every year. Did Matt send these?
Yes, delivered this morning.
Maddie is the perfect son. He never forgets. Is he dating anyone?
Oh, he doesn't have time. He's helping to launch some new sports magazine. So he just works out, and sleeps, so he says.
No, Paul is the same way. He never mentions dating anyone.
God, I wish Daniel would date someone other than that Erin. She's not good enough for him. I told him that.
Ooh. And how did that go?
He unfriended me.
See, that's why I'm not on Facebook.
Oh, remember how cute they were? Remember how cute we were? When did I turn 50?
Oh, several years after I did, so shut up and enjoy your youth.
Oh, I love that with us we don't have to lie about our age.
I love with us, we don't have to lie about anything. Look, I just polished off a whole donut in front of you two. I didn't even pretend to only want half. Come on, that's friendship.
Oh, you are so right.
I sent myself the flowers.
That would be crazy.
Been doing it for a while now.
Before I get them sent, I'll just
more and more depressed.
go get them from the store. That would be kind of embarrassing.
You don't include a note, do you?
Oh, I would not write my own. Yes.
I guess it's being truthful.
Right.
Best mother ever.
Yes. Well, you are.
What son forgets Mother's Day?
Well, what kind of son sends a Mother's Day text?
Pass the burden.
Come on, lady. Buy me some bath salts. Is that so difficult?
A candle, a frame, something.
I should have sent myself flowers. It's brilliant.
Daniel can't call me from Long Island City. God, I have a girl for him to meet. Oh, you little jerk won't even call me back.
Paul's not hearing about me when I married Frank.
Matt hasn't been home since his funeral, and he barely came home for that. Stayed 16 hours, and he wore sneakers.
They were nice ones. They were Gucci.
We did wrong.
We did everything right. That's what we did wrong. I mean, we raised our...
Well, if you are so much better at living, then why is your son the one who's broke, depressed, and jobless? I'll tell you why. Because you sabotaged his chance at happiness. That is bullshit, and you know, is it? He had a ring, but you